We're continuing to talk about slope. This follows lesson 6-4 in the applied algebra curriculum. And now we're talking about negative slope. You've probably already looked at positive slope. What you learned was in positive slope, as you read the graph or as you look at a graphical relationship from left to right, that it's going up. It increases, goes uphill. If you're driving a car, it's going uphill. Negative slope, obviously, is going to have the opposite. So this is an example of a line with a negative slope. We know it's negative by a visual inspection because it's going down. As you look at it, as you study the function from left to right, it's going down, it's decreasing. A real scenario of this would be money spent over a course of time. When you spend money, as it impacts your bank account, you go down. You can see even here it can get, if you're looking at spending rate and you continue to spend at that rate, you could actually go down into negative numbers if you were studying that. At any rate, it represents a decreasing situation. The line is going downhill. Negative slope, going downhill. This is just a really quick way. You learn a lot of hacks when you do math a lot to see if you're right or wrong, or also just to make quick decisions about a function if you're looking at it visually, or in an equation. An equation of this would be something like y equals negative 1/3 x plus 2. I have no idea if that's even relatively close, but I have a negative slope, so as I'm looking at this line, I know that my line's going to go downhill. So when I go in and graph it, if it's going uphill, I obviously made a mistake. I know other things about that line, which you'll learn later. But anyway, that's slope. Negative slope goes downhill, represents a decreasing relationship.